You use your toaster every day, but it is the one appliance that everyone forgets to clean. Most importantly, before you do anything, unplug your toaster. Grab yourself a pencil and rolled up piece of paper towel. Slide it in so you give yourself a bit of a wand. Now, get your toaster on an angle and get into those crusty bits. Really pushing down hard to loosen up all that excess crumbs. Now this bit's better done over the sink. So take your crumb tray over, tip it upside down, give it a tap. Now here's a really cool tip. To get rid of the other crumbs that are embedded in there, grab your hairdryer, put it on cold, and then let's blow them away. Get the crumb tray, and the last of the crumbs are all gone. Now that the inside of your toaster is crumb-free, let's get the outside shiny. Take a lemon, cut it in half. With a bit of salt, sprinkle across the top. The salt's going to act like an abrasive to remove all those marks. Take the lemon and gently rub all over the surface. The salt acts as an abrasive to remove those marks. And the great thing is you're using all natural products, so when you go to eat your toast, you're not having any nasty detergent in there. With a paper towel, all you want to do is just wipe off so it's nice and dry. And now we're going to give it an all-round shine with vinegar because it's a natural buffer and it will really bring up the shine. Dab a little bit of vinegar onto your microfiber cloth and just work your way. And now your toaster is ready to go. So with the lemon you just cleaned your toaster, let's not waste it, so let's now clean your microwave. Take a lemon, cut it into quarters, squeeze all the juice into a microwave safe container. Then throw the pieces in there with it and pour half a cup of water. It's really simple as that. Now take it over to the microwave, pop it in, and let's press it for 3 minutes. You can really smell the fresh lemon, but don't take it out. Let it sit in there for another 5 minutes to really steam up because it's going to move all that dirt within. Take out the tray, but remember it's hot. So put that aside. Now, with your cloth, just simply give it a nice wipe down. You'll immediately notice all the debris and dirt has come off them. Check that out, how shiny that is. That's it, you're done.